Alright, boys and girls, and welcome to Gordon Guitar. So this time we have Neffex here. We had them before in our channel, maybe not a year ago, but some while ago. And this song is called A Year Ago. So yeah, this one is pretty easy to play. It will be the same chord progression through the whole song here. So yeah, let's start. We need to set our capo here on the 2nd fret. And we have 4 different chords to learn. So let's start with those. First the A, so open A, 2nd D, 2nd G, 2nd B, and open E. Now we have B minor. So you need to bar the 2nd fret here from the A string and down, so 5 strings you bar. And then the rest will be 4th on the D string, 4th on G, and 3rd on the B string. The 3rd chord will be the F sharp minor. So you need to bar all strings here on the 2nd fret, and the rest will be 4th on the A string and 4th on the D string. And the final chord will be the E. So open E, 2nd A, 2nd D, 1st G, open B, and open E. So yeah, 4 chords, and it goes round and round in the same order through the whole song here. We have 2 different techniques here to learn, or actually 3. We have a melody here going on, and we also have some downstrokes for some parts. It's optional there. And then we also have a strumming pattern to learn. So let's start how this song starts here. It will be this melody here. I showed that one in the intro. And we will look at the notes and the way of playing for each chord there. So let's start with the A. The part will sound like this. It's actually pretty easy to play this melody here. So you need to hold the A chord as it is. Then you're gonna start with the open A string, the bass. And then you play the 2nd G string together with the 2nd B string. Then you go back to the bass string, open A. Then the 2nd G and 2nd B together again for 2 times. And then you lift off the 2nd B string there. So you're gonna play the 2nd G string together with the open B string 2 times. Okay, so open A, then you're gonna stay on the 2nd G string with 2nd B string. And back to open A, and then 2nd G, B, 2 times. And then you lift off the B 2 times. Okay, then we switch to the B minor. It will be the same pattern here, only different notes there. So you're holding the B minor as it is, and then gonna play there on the 2nd A string now, the bass note. And then you're gonna play the 4th on the G string together with the 3rd B string. And then go back to bass, 2nd A string. And then 4th G string together with 3rd B string 2 times. And then you're gonna release the 3rd B string, so it will be a 2nd B string now, since you bar that one, together with the 4th G string 2 times. So that part will sound like this, slowly. Okay, then we have the F sharp minor chord. So this will change a little bit here. You will hold still the full chord as it is. So that gives us the bass note here on the 2nd fret E string. Now you're gonna play the 4th D string together with the 2nd G string. And and back to second E. And then you're gonna play again the the fourth D string together with second G string 2 times. And when you play these two, you switch quick to this grip here. That will be the second D string together with first G string. You play that for 2 times. And then you're gonna still hold this grip here as it is. And you play the open E string, because now we are at the E part here. So if we repeat this F sharp minor here. Like this, all right? Now the E, you're still holding this grip here that we landed on. You're gonna play the open E string. Then this grip here, the second D together with the first G. And back to open E. And then you play the second D together with the first G 3 times. And on the 4th time, you add the second G instead of the first G there. So that will be the second D together with second G. 1 time like this. And that ends this melody here, and then it goes around again. It will be A again. So just a tip there, when it goes around, you hold like this. I add with my ring finger there, the second G string there. And when it starts all over again on the A, I just add my little pinky there. So that will be the new grip here for A, to hold it like this with these 3 fingers. The middle, the ring, and the little pinky. That's just a technique there, a way of grabbing the different chords there to have it fast and convenient there. So yeah, that is the melody. I can play through it for you a little bit slow so you can be able to follow. So let's go. And then again. Yeah, sorry for my fault there. Yeah, but that is how it sounds, and yeah, that is played for the kind of most part of this song here. It starts with a chorus, a verse, and a chorus. And I actually won't go through different parts of the song. I'm just gonna mention how many rounds of everything you're gonna play. That's much easier in this song here. So for all the first 6 rounds of this chord progression here, you could play this melody here. But for round 2, 3, and 4, you can choose to play a strumming here, because that will be added into the song. So for the first round, it's only this melody here. For the 2nd, 3rd, and 4th round, you can have this other way of playing, which I'm going to show you pretty soon. And for the last 2 rounds, round 5 and 6, you're going to go back to this melody. But for the round 2, 3, and 4, you can play just downstrokes. For each chord you will play 8 downstrokes. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. That is one chord progression with the optional strumming here for round 2, 3, and 4. And after this comes an instrumental part. And for this part, we need to learn a new strumming pattern. It will be Same chords still, same chords here, but we will need to learn how to handle it in a new way. So the strumming pattern will be down, down, up, down, up. So if we look at this strumming here with A, for instance, that's the first chord. So it will sound like this. Yeah. So you will play one chord progression round of this strumming pattern, and for each chord you will play 2 strumming rounds. So the strumming was down, down, up, down, up. So down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up, down, up. Down, down, up. Yeah. And after this one round of this chord progression, we will be at this melody part again. We're gonna play 2 rounds of this melody. And so on. So 2 rounds of that. And then we have, after this, a new chorus there. 2 rounds of the melody or the strumming, like we learned here for the round 2, 3, and 4 in the beginning there, with only the downs. 8 downs for each chord there. So 2 rounds of either the melody or the strumming. And after this, actually the lyrics is over there. This is just an end part there. That's an instrumental part. You will play for 2 rounds, the same as we just learned here, with the down, down, up, down, up. So 2 rounds of A, B minor, F sharp minor, and E with the strumming. And then it ends with 2 rounds of the melody. And another round. And that is how this cool song a year ago ends with Neffex. So good luck with this one. And I just want to emphasize how much you mean to me. You are very important as a subscriber, especially. You make this channel go around and we will grow together. So I really appreciate all your help there. So if you haven't subscribed yet, just click the button there, and yeah, it helps me a lot. Otherwise, see you soon, and don't forget, play tuned.